This video reviews the Schwinn Morse taper pedal and crank arm replacement procedure. Required tools: an 8mm Allen wrench, a crank puller with small and large tips, a torque wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Use an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt securing the pedal to the crank arm. Step 2. Insert the small tip into the crank puller, then thread the puller's outer barrel into the crank arm. Turn the inner barrel of the puller clockwise to push the pedal out of the crank arm. Step 2A. With the pedal removed, notice the smooth taper in the crank arm. Step 3. Use an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt securing the crank arm to the bottom bracket. Insert the large tip into the crank puller tool, thread the outer barrel into the crank arm, and then rotate the inner barrel of the tool clockwise. Step 4. If a 4-eye crank is present, use a Phillips head screwdriver to access the battery compartment. Step 5. Insert the new crank arm into the spline shaft of the bottom bracket. Ensure the timing of the crank is correct, where one is at the 3 o'clock position and the other is at the 9 o'clock position. Once positioned properly, use the 8mm Allen wrench to tighten the bolt to the bottom bracket. Torque the crank bolts to 37 foot-pounds or 50 Newton meters. Step 6. Insert the pedal into the crank arm. Insert the pedal bolt that secures the pedal to the crank arm. Torque the bolts to 33 to 37 foot-pounds or 48 Newton meters.